to give you an overview of how we manage and track projects and project costs. Obviously, we've worked on about 50 or so different software development projects over the years, maybe more, and gotten better and better, learned some lessons the hard way, of course, and I think we do a really good job of doing it now. So we mainly, for time tracking, use a product called Hubstaff. Hubstaff is a hourly tracking tool. I've got my team of 25 or so developer project managers, folks in here. In here, you also can set up the different projects that you work on as well. You set an hourly rate, a billable rate, as well as a pay rate for the different developers and team members, and you can add them in here to the projects, set budgets for various things. And so as you're going through here, some of these are big projects, some of them are small projects, and everything in between. So it just gives you transparency. You can see my team's working there, sending me a message on Skype. That's also a great way to communicate with folks, both the United States and overseas. So we use a hybrid of both Skype and Slack for communication going back and forth. When you select these different channels here, what happens is everything that comes through for each particular project actually comes through and hits your Slack channel. So they're kind of constantly keeping you up to date of what's going on with your projects. It also allows the team to do timesheets, to put timesheets in here, and they can submit those to you. You can actually automatically pay those each week if you have confidence in the timesheets. You can also allow yourself to approve timesheets before they pay through Hubstaff. There's a lot of great functionality through Hubstaff. We can talk more about that. From a overall kind of project management, from a development perspective, we use a tool called Jira, and it's a part of the Atlassian set of tools, which is really the premier products for software development. So this ties directly in with Hubstaff. So for each project that we have in here, we create different boards for them. And with each board, it's also tracked to a particular time tracking tool or time tracking aspect inside of Hubstaff. So as we're moving through the different phases of project development, we typically try and follow an agile software development style, which it basically means you're constantly developing and communicating back and forth. What you do is you move things through the progress of the development all the way through from backlog, progress, QA testing to then completed. We do have a team of quality assurance testers that are kind of constantly helping us and tracking and logging bugs in here as well. With all this, you also can tie it into QuickBooks as well. So it gives you kind of real-time tracking inside your QuickBooks. These three tools integrate really nicely together. And also inside of Hubstaff, you can assign each project to through the integration area right directly to QuickBooks. For the management team, we typically use Trello, which is also part of the Atlassian set of tools, which gives us more of the high-level overview of some projects from a management perspective. Obviously, a lot of notifications coming out through Hubstaff, letting you know when invoices have been submitted, when you're going over budget on certain projects. It lets you know that you've exceeded budget or you're getting close to exceeding budget. So those are my tips for project management from a software development perspective, and hopefully that's helpful for you.